Yeah, so David, tell me what we're doing today.
Okay, so today this is day one of shooting. So we are here at Worcester Polytechnic Institute's Biotechnology Training Center. And this is their main production suite. And this is going to be our upstream production suite in our fictional company, Franklin Biologics. So we've got a couple of different locations in here. The first one, this is going to be our Franklin seed bioreactor. So you can see looks nice and complex, looks like the real thing, because it is the real thing. So we're going to have characters interacting with this. We have other locations around here, kind of general purpose. They're going to be going over documentation, they're going to be taking phone calls and going back and forth talking about their work. We have a full-scale Delta V panel, which is all of their controls. So you can see this is going to be used in some training capacity. And then over here, we have a clean and place skid that's going to be a bunch of different seeds. From this angle, we'll be able to see the clean in place. They'll be able to check, oh, wait a minute, this cleaning fluid has expired. What do we do? Do we change it? It just expired today. I don't know. And then we cut to another shot over here. This is a fluid transfer panel. So they're going to be going in on this and maybe, wait a minute. Should I do line A or do I need line B? And wait a minute, if I release pressure on this, what happens? So there's a lot of things that can go wrong, and we're hoping to show that today in these scenes.
And tell me, where are we starting today in?
Today we are starting in our gowning room, which is actually a hallway. And if you come out here, you can see once we weave past all of these lights and our awesome looking camera jib. So we've set up a bench in the hallway. Dan from WPI has really gone out of his way to make this look like the real thing. And we're going to have our characters come in here and set up and gown in preparation to go into the production suite. We have one more location. Okay, so this is our final location for today of shooting. This is going to be our in-process suite, essentially. This is where the actors and our technicians are going to be scaling up from a small seed vial into gradually larger and larger shape flasks, like these little conical things. And you can see they go from a very small, tiny flask, gradually larger as the cells divide and grow, and then eventually they'll go into the bioreactor that we saw earlier. So we have a couple of different spaces in here, general lab space. There's going to be a cell counter, which is this machine, and they're going to be doing all kinds of in-process testing, which is basically monitoring the cells, making sure they're healthy as they continue to divide and grow.